Hello, and welcome to my channel. In this video, we will show you how to fix your Karcher Window Vac if it's not working properly. To test the battery, I will do a full charge. If you've been using your Karcher Window Vac for a while, you might have noticed that its suction power is weakening or that it's not running as long as it used to. In most cases, the problem is due to a worn-out battery, and the solution is to replace it. Because the battery does not has enough current, the vacuum cleaner stops after a few seconds of use. I will take you through the steps to open up the Karcher Window Vac, remove the old battery, and replace it with a new one. This is a straightforward process that can save you the cost of buying a new Karcher Window Vac or having it serviced. With these easy-to-follow instructions, you can get your Karcher Window Vac back to its peak performance and keep your windows looking spotless. Don't forget, like and subscribe. It has a high discharge battery with a capacity of 1.1 amps, which I will replace with a 2.5 amps one. You can find this product in the description. You can find this project with the spot welding machine in the description. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.